Hello, I'm the representative of the automatic opening door system. It only costs £50 for a box which automatically senses the sound of a double clap. I will demonstrate. Wow, isn't it amazing? As you can see, this light shows that it's on, and this is the amazing, well, this and this is the extremely compact system. Anyway, that flashing light doesn't mean anything, it just flashes, really. Okay, I'll demonstrate again, if you didn't see, an extra closing door set costs an extra £25. Sorry. Stop it! Ah! Ah!